Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Beckta here, and if you're looking for an affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, then you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go from $0 to $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing without spending a single penny on advertising. And if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll also discover a simple 3-step formula that will show you the exact steps you need to follow using 100% free traffic sources. And I'm also going to give you the exact affiliate product that I'm promoting that pays you $1,000 commissions so that you can start promoting it yourself right away. And if you watch until the end of this video, I'm also going to give you 2 free special bonuses that are the key to making thousands of dollars online with affiliate marketing. So you're going to want to stay to the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. First, let's talk for a moment about what affiliate marketing really is. Now, affiliate marketing is the process of referring another business, product, or service and getting paid a commission anytime anyone buys through your affiliate referral link. And the best thing is, you don't need anything to get started. You don't need a product of your own, you don't need inventory, you don't need to worry about shipping, and you don't have to commute to a job that you hate. So that's what makes it so great. Now, all you have to do as an affiliate marketer is send targeted traffic to the other business's sales page, and they do all the selling for you. So more about that in a second, so stick around for that. Now, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is the easiest way for beginners to get started with making money online in 2022 and even beyond that. And I've been using this exact process I'm sharing with you today in this video for the last 15 years, and it still works like crazy. What exactly do you need to get started with affiliate marketing so that you can go from $0 to $10,000 a month in income? Now, let me first say, if you've tried affiliate marketing before and you've failed in the past, it's not really your fault because it can be confusing. There's a lot of distractions and there's a lot of people on the internet pulling you in different directions. But what you really need to do is to focus on just one thing and follow a proven system like the one I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, in my opinion, the fastest path to success online as an affiliate marketer is high-ticket affiliate marketing because it takes the same amount of time to promote a high-ticket offer as a low-ticket offer, and you get paid way more for the same amount of effort. And as you watch this video until the end, I'll break it down for you step by step, and you'll see for yourself it's actually pretty easy, and you only need to follow the simple 3-step formula you're about to discover. So, step 1, you need a high-quality, high-ticket, front-end affiliate offer to promote. And I'm going to actually give you the affiliate product and affiliate partner that I work with to help you get the results that you've been searching for, but we'll get more to that in a second. Now, step 2, you also need a high-converting back-end offer that complements your front-end affiliate offer, and preferably it pays you recurring commissions month after month. Now, I'll get into the exact specifics about that in a moment, and I'm going to give you a high-converting back-end offer that pays you recurring commissions month after month, so you can refer it as an affiliate as well. Now, step 3, now this is the part that most people get completely wrong. Affiliate marketing is not about getting rich quick or spamming the internet with affiliate links. This system I'm sharing with you is about creating free, valuable, high-quality content that actually helps people to solve a problem. People go on the internet to search for a solution to a problem, and your goal should be to provide helpful content. And if they'd like to learn more, you then refer them to a high-ticket affiliate program that actually helps them solve their problem. Now, let's go back to traffic for a second. Now, you can provide valuable free content to people in many ways. I'm going to share with you a few different ways that you can generate traffic completely for free. And if you do it right, you won't have to spend a single penny on ads. All right, so how do you actually go from $0 to $10,000 a month though? I mean, okay, so let's get into it. So the easiest way is to use an optimized affiliate bridge funnel. It's basically an online pre-sale sequence using a couple of simple web pages designed with direct response marketing methods in mind. Now, where some people go wrong with affiliate marketing is they send their prospects directly to the affiliate sales page. And what an affiliate bridge funnel allows you to do differently is to add people to your email list so you can follow up with them via automatic emails that are delivered from your autoresponder. Now, it may sound a little complicated at first, but remember, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact funnel that I'm using in my own affiliate marketing business. Now, I've been using this funnel software that I'm going to suggest you use, and I've been using it for years because it's the easiest to navigate, it works really well, And I'll get more into that in just a second. Now, a quick disclaimer, I've been doing this online marketing thing for about 15 years, and I'm not saying you'll achieve the exact same results. You'll have to follow the process and apply yourself, and how much you earn is up to you. You may not make anything at all. I just want to put that out there. All right, so let's break this formula down that you see right here on your screen. Okay, so the first step is to send free targeted traffic that is interested in solving a problem to your lead capture page. Now, I know you're probably still asking yourself, well, how do I get that traffic to my lead capture page? Well, today it's easier than ever. There's tons of free traffic sources online that you can use, like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, blogs, Pinterest. You get the idea. Just pick one platform that you're familiar with to start and begin creating high quality, valuable content that actually helps people to solve a problem. And as time progresses, you can begin adding other free traffic sources to make even more money. Now, step 2, at the end of your content, make a clear call to action. For example, if you'd like to learn more, click this link. It's that easy. Now, step 3, you then direct them to a lead capture page that provides them something of value called a lead magnet in exchange for their email address. Now, a lead magnet could be a checklist, it could be a cheat sheet, a video, just something short and valuable in exchange for their email address. Now, this is the first step of the pre-sale bridge funnel sequence, and the cool thing about a funnel like this is what I'm going to cover for you next. Stick in there. So all you have to do is set up the funnel I'm going to give you at the end of this video. And once you have it set up, all you have to do is focus on sending traffic to that page. That's all you have to focus on. And everything else happens automatically for you. So more about how that works in just a second. Now, before we go any further, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification, because I post new videos twice a week showing you how to make money online from home, and you're not going to want to miss a single video. So if you don't want to miss a video, click on that subscribe button right now. All right, let's get back to the video. Okay, remember, like I mentioned earlier, you create free content and then you send them to a lead capture page, which redirects to a bridge page. Now, the bridge page's job is to transition and pre-sell the affiliate product you're promoting. And from there, you link to the affiliate sales page. Then over the next few days, you follow up with them with a pre-written email sequence that goes out automatically using your affiliate links that return your prospect to the affiliate sales page. Now, email follow-up is one very important step, and a lot of people miss this one. You need to follow up with people because sometimes it takes 7 to 10 points of contact to make a sale. But don't worry about the email part right now. If you stick around until the end of this video, I'll also give you access to some pre-written emails to help you get started. Now, the pre-sale email sequence you'll use is designed to provide a little more value and information of how the affiliate program you're promoting will help them to solve their problem. Now, in the email, you're going to give them a clear call to action, like click here to learn more. Now, once they land on the affiliate sales page, your job as an affiliate is done. And it's now the other business's job to sell that product, and the affiliate product I'm going to give you to use at the end of this video has a very high conversion rate. It sells really well, and that's very important when you're selecting a high-ticket affiliate offer to promote, because you want to make sure they have a high converting funnel in place so you don't waste your time sending traffic to their offer. Now, the affiliate program I'm going to give you is a very high converting, high ticket affiliate product that you can start promoting yourself right away. Now, the final step of an affiliate offer is when they decide to purchase, and that's when you get the commission payment. So that's why it's also super important to choose an affiliate product with an affiliate partner that knows how to convert the traffic you send them into sales. Now, I want to go back for a second to the email sequence here, because this is a very important part, so I'll mention it to you again. If you don't have this email sequence set up, you're going to miss out on a ton of affiliate sales and affiliate commission, because people will go through your beginning funnel sequence and may not buy the product you refer to them right away. So that's why you want to send them the follow-up emails, and your goal is to provide more value and show them more examples of how the affiliate product you're recommending will help them. Now, here's another bonus tip. You'll also want to incorporate your back-end offer in your follow-up email sequence as well, as long as it's related to the first problem that they're trying to solve. Now, I know you're probably thinking you're still not exactly sure how to put all this together. So I'm going to do something very special for you. If you're really interested in getting started with a simple 3-step affiliate marketing formula, I've done something extra cool for you. I actually have a pre-built funnel for you to use. All you have to do is take it, import it, and start running traffic to the funnel. Everything's pre-built for you, and you can have access to the exact same affiliate presale bridge funnel that I've showed you in this video. And you can start using it to promote affiliate offers for yourself, and you don't even have to use the same affiliate product for this funnel. You can promote any affiliate offers using this funnel that I'm going to give you today. Although I highly suggest use the one I recommend because I vouch for the quality of the product, and it also converts really well and pays high ticket commissions. And if you want to get started today, you can clone my exact business that I've just showed you using the exact high converting funnel that I'm using right now in my own online business. So all you have to do is insert your own affiliate links, load up your autoresponder, and you can start using this exact high ticket, high converting funnel today. So if you're interested in doing that, there's a link just below this video in the description box that says replicate my affiliate marketing funnel. Just look for that, click on the link, and once you click the link, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll get access to a pre-built funnel and an email sequence that I've created for you, and you can start using it today. It'll be the fastest and easiest way for you to start seeing commissions in your own online affiliate marketing business as soon as possible. Now that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this helped you learn more about how to start your own online affiliate marketing business so that you can start earning commissions as quickly as possible. Now, if you received any value out of this video, please smash that like button right now before you go. It helps this video get more views, and it will help this video reach more people. Before you go, I just want to mention that another important part of marketing is to think of your prospects' objections beforehand. So as a marketer, you want to try to enter the conversation that's going on in your prospect's mind. Now, if you've watched this video until the end, you may still have a question. For example, you may be saying to yourself, well, why does Craig want to share this funnel for free? What's the catch? What does he get out of it by sharing this funnel for free? So I'm going to address your objections up front, and you should be doing the same in your marketing as well. So let's go back to that question. So why would I want to give you access to my high converting affiliate funnel for free? What would be the reason for that? Well, I have 3 really good reasons for making this video and sharing my high converting funnel with you. So let's go break it down. Number 1 is if you find this video helpful, hopefully you like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with other people, which will help my YouTube channel grow faster. 2, if I share this funnel with you and you make money from it, that will create goodwill with you. And 3, by creating goodwill with you, hopefully sometime in the future, after helping you to see some success online, you may decide down the road to purchase something through one of my affiliate links. So those are the reasons for this video. So that wraps up this video, and thanks for watching and sticking around until the end. If you have any helpful tips of your own for affiliate marketing beginners out there, feel free to leave a comment below in the comments section just below this video. So it's Craig Beckta here, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next one.